Welcome to the trading strategy section of the Crypto Trading Mastery course. In this section, we're going to be showing you various different ways that you can trade the markets to maximize your profit potential. So here are some trading strategies that you could apply to the markets. Now, you'll want to pick something that's suitable to your personality. Some people prefer one particular strategy over another, and other people like to apply multiple strategies in various different market conditions. So swing trading is considered holding a trading position for either a couple of days, couple of weeks, or even a couple of months. And so you generally can do like momentum trading either for a breakout, or you can do accumulation. So there's various different ways that you can swing trade. Then there's scalping. The traditional definition of scalping is just one-to-one risk to reward. But I like to look at scalping as just taking smaller intraday trades. So oftentimes when the markets are volatile, you can just take trades. They can even last a couple of minutes or maybe a couple of hours, and you just kind of close them out. And then there's arbitrage. An interesting thing with crypto is that you can actually trade on multiple exchanges simultaneously. So sometimes during volatile periods, there are a lot of price discrepancies between the various exchanges. Because it's very easy to send Bitcoin or altcoins from one exchange to another, you can buy low on one exchange and then send it over to another exchange and sell it higher over there. Then there's hedging, and hedging is basically how do you lock in your dollar value, right? So there's a couple of different ways that you can do that, but overall you want to be able to just lock in the dollar value, and sometimes you do it by taking positions that are inversely correlated with each other, and we'll get into that a bit later. Then there's market making. Market making is providing liquidity to the order books. It's basically just stacking up the order books and putting orders on the books and making money through that. And there are some exchanges that'll actually pay you for market making. And then there's investing, and investing is basically just purchasing something low, buy low, sell high, and just holding it for years and seeing where it goes over the long haul. So before we get into the specific strategies, I just want to start off by talking about the one kick trick, right? I'm going to show you a bunch of different strategies, but you should always start off by learning and mastering one before moving on to others. And there's a interesting quote that I like, which is, I fear not the man who's trained 10,000 kicks one time, but the man who's trained one kick 10,000 times. So it's better off to really master one particular strategy. Have your one kick trick or your one trick pony, and only trade in market conditions that are conducive to that particular strategy. So one of the biggest mistakes that new traders make is they overtrade the market. So when you're trading, less is more. You really want to go for quality over quantity. Now let's get into some specific strategies. Cheers.